Welcome to the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. This is one of the most famous churches in the world and clearly the most famous in Barcelona. It was taken over as a project by Antoni Gaudi in 1883, and work continues to this day because it's only funded through private donations, and this very intricate design takes a lot of time and money to get done. It's been in continuous development for all of these years, and it's changed a lot even since the last time we were here. If you come to Barcelona, it's a must-do. You're in 360 mode, so take a look around and enjoy it with me.
La Sagrada Familia has two distinct sides. On the other side is the Passion facade, which tells of the sacrifice and suffering of Jesus. It is in stark contrast to this side, the Joyful Nativity facade, which tells stories of the birth of Christ. Let's step inside. Be sure to look up. Towering columns sprout like trees, reaching for the vaulted ceiling, where stained glass explodes into celestial colors. Now let's do something extra special. Let's walk up into one of the towers of the church. Catch a glimpse of the city below if you dare. We're going all the way down a second spire. It's a dizzying descent. Since we're in Barcelona, we're going to leave you with a very special treat. A popular tradition in this part of Spain is to create human towers. They are called castells. Do you think you could be a part of it? Check out our video library for the full city guide or get notified about new 360-degree videos.